If you have been delaying your dental treatment because of dental anxiety, you're not alone. Millions of Americans share this same condition, but now there's an answer. Sedation Dentistry is that answer. At Agnini Family Dental Center, our doctors are trained and licensed in conscious sedation. Panic and fear, those are feelings that kept Suzanne Brown and Hannah Moore from seeing a dentist for years. Suzanne put off dental care because of a bad experience as a child.
I was about 4 or 5 years old and had a tooth filled, as I recall, without any anesthesia of any kind, Novocaine or anything. The dentist thought I was too young to have pain.
What was that like?
It was awful. Set me up where I never wanted to see a dentist again.
Hannah Moore was afraid of getting shots.
The shots, I was very scared of shots, feeling them, knowing that they were coming, gave me anxiety, made it worse.
You feel like you're not supposed to be like that. You know, this is not that bad an ordeal. You should be able to walk in and take this and what's wrong with you, you know? This is okay. People go all the time to the dentist. But I think once you've had a bad experience, or it's a compounded experience, then you all your life are just afraid to do it.
But conscious sedation dentistry is about to revolutionize the way Suzanne and Hannah think about going to the dentist. Conscious sedation is very safe and can be achieved several ways. With oral medication, an IV, or nitrous oxide. As Dr. Matt Agnini prepares Suzanne for IV sedation dentistry, he lets her know the IV will work quickly.
From that point onward, you're going to have very little memory of anything that we do. You may not remember anything. It may feel just like a few minutes have passed.
Once we start the IV and push the drugs, it's a matter of a few seconds before they kind of go off into just a dreamy, relaxed state. Now, I use the word conscious because that's exactly what it is. The patient is alert, in control of their faculties as far as breathing.
And while the patient is sedated, a doctor will monitor all their vital signs, like their pulse, blood pressure, and EKG. Hannah is getting work done while under sedation with nitrous oxide, also known as laughing gas.
You feeling okay there? You're doing great, as always.
And while the patient may be in control of their faculties during sedation, they may not remember much afterwards.
What the patient experiences is just kind of like a dreamy twilight type of a sensation. It takes their anxiety down to a level of almost nil. And many times when I talk to them later on, they don't even remember even being there and having the procedure done. They remember us starting the IV, and that's about it.
So, how did sedation dentistry go for Hannah and Suzanne?
Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I came in, got in the chair, Dr. Matt made a comment he was going to help me relax, and the next thing I knew, I was being woke up saying, "It's all over."
I wouldn't think of doing my dentistry any other way than with a laughing gas. There's no other way.
Suzanne would recommend sedation dentistry to other people afraid to go to the dentist.
Get it done. Get it done. It's changed my life tremendously.
Sedation dentistry may be a great option for you. At your consultation with one of our doctors, they'll help you decide what kind of conscious sedation is right for you. To learn more, call Agnini Family